Hello everyone and welcome to Ethan's coding course. Today we'll be learning about the basics of HTML and the basic headings and um, things that you see on the website. So when you open up it on REPL.it, you'll see there's 12 lines here, and there'll be a doc type, HTML head, and then body with stuff inside. As you notice in the beginning, you always start with a less than sign, and then your words, and then you end with that. In order to end that command, you will need to do the same thing but with a slash, and then whatever is in the middle. So if you look at the title right here, it starts with the title here, and then it ends with the same thing but with a slash. And you can see that with the rest, like the script, and the head is everything that's non-important to what the user sees, and the body is everything that the user will see or they'll notice. So first of all, we have our headings. So in order to do a heading, you do H, and then there's 6 headings as you see here. There's H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. H1 is the biggest heading, so let me put that in. So I'll just put hello world. Remember, I put a slash there. And let me run this. It'll say hello world. And let's try it with H2. And with H2, the heading is smaller. So try to notice that with this. See, and it's smaller. There's also some things to make them smaller. So if you want something to be italic, you just do I. And then you do another I here. And it'll be italic. There's also bold, so if you want to say hi here, and then you just do a B, and then you end it like always /B, and then greater than, and then that's bold. So thank you for watching the first episode of Ethan's course. I hope now you will understand the headings. Yeah, and see you next time.